I'll get my skis waxed.
You want to do a $5 quick wax?
Yeah, the $5 quick. Cash, right?
Yeah, cash or card.
There's my skis.
Get you some fresh juice on there.
All right, awesome.
Oh yeah, these are ready.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, when you see the white fade coloration,
yeah.
see how it's fading white, like dry plastic? It's a dry base. You're gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna really notice the difference on these. There's one ski for you.
Awesome, thank you.
And you can look, see as all that white's gone.
Yep, awesome.
The quick waxes last for about a day or two. That's why there's such a discount, quick on, quick off kind of thing.
Yeah.
A hot wax will last you for about 5 to 7 days.
Mm-hmm.
They use the iron, it heats up the base and really impregnates the base with wax, so it'll get that dry base really taken care of for you.
Okay.
It'll be good for a day or two with this, and then hot wax is something to think about for you.
Yeah, I meant to do it, you know, back home before I came on the trip, and I'm like, hey, do it here.
Yeah, that's what we're all set up for. We do hot waxes for about $20. We guarantee them overnight by 8 a.m. the next day.
Oh, okay. There's a $5.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Appreciate you. Have fun up there in the mountain.
Thank you.
Careful now, those are slicker than a minnow.
Thank you.
Beautiful day today. Yeah. We got quick waxes for $5.
Good morning.
Tighten the boots so much better. Beautiful day. It was 38 degrees this morning, gonna warm up to about 52. I'm not even wearing gloves. I got my jacket unzipped from the bottom. My friends want me to ski them, or I'm sorry, film them skiing. Nice. There she goes. All right, my turn to go. Let's go.
Let's go to the last yellow.
Yeah. I'm letting them get ahead because I'm going to go a little bit into the woods there. Donna, I'm going this way. I'll follow along this way. Wow, it's all icy in here. Not liking the ice. Oh my God, it's so chattery. There you are.
Doing a little blade ski.
Yes, a little bit in the trees. It was too icy in there. That is way icy. Like my skis were just chattering the whole time. All right.
Oh, right here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was just real short.
Nice.
Yeah, it was all icy though.
Was it?
Yeah, I didn't like it. Ooh. Yay! Getting some video. That is beautiful.
Good to go, right? Well,
Yeah, we can just keep going. Yep. Now we have to look, we have to keep an eye out for not this blue trail, not that meteor, but another one. Look for Galaxy. It's so weird. I'm still trying to find that Galaxy. I guess.
Well, this is taking us back down to Comet and Dipper, so
Right.
we'll have to try again.
Yeah, I don't
like that road we were just on.
So
Yeah,
that was just a that's just a traverse. Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
So let's try it that way.
Yeah. All right, let's make a right then. Okay.
I wanted to check it with
Ooh. I wanted to see what I can't see what that sign. Well, if that sign says Galaxy one way, that's where we want to go. If not, we'll just go back down to the same lifts we were on.
Well, we kind of have to decide
Because we have to either go up the hill or
left is
down the hill.
uphill. Let's go downhill no matter what it is.
Well, I'm saying if we kind of, once you see if it's Galaxy to the right, then go right. And if it's
The
not.
first person decides. How about you go first?
Okay, you go first.
All right.
Follow you.
And if there's no Galaxy on there,
Make a decision.
yes, yes, got it. Donna. Oh, there you are. Great. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit. We can stay on this, on the groom side. Yeah. All right. You just take a rest. A rest of Rooney. And yes. Yep.
Donna's so strong from doing all her racing.
Yeah.
She is strong.
I try to walk like 3-4 days a week, but other than that, I haven't been working out.
She carries 50-pound bags for 10 miles.
Oh, I know. I can't even lift a 50-pound bag.
Yeah.